Avensi Wave, the most funded coffee drinkware in crowdfunding history, is back. It's transformed the tasting experience for over 40,000 coffee lovers, experts, and top coffee champions. Now available in new limited edition colors and sizes. Taste the difference for yourself and experience firsthand why coffee lovers are joining the movement to rediscover flavor. Meet Avensi Wave, a new way to dive deeper into a world of flavor. Escape the ordinary with every swirl. Avensi Wave is our most challenging product we've ever developed. It introduces a unique cup architecture that has never been successfully executed in the history of drinkware design until now. There's nothing similar due to the complexity of manufacturing and the steps required to make this one-of-a-kind design. At its core lies the innovation we call Aeration waves. These never-before-seen, meticulously engineered ridges within the cup don't just hold your coffee, they breathe life into it. The anatomy of the aeration waves comprises two pairs of specially designed diversion ridges that aerate the flavors for a completely new experience. This is more than an advancement in coffee drinkware, it's a new frontier in flavor exploration. Whether you love filter coffee or espresso, the Avensi Wave collection allows you to explore every nuance of your coffee's flavors to the fullest. How is Avensi Wave different from any regular coffee cup? Well, ordinary mugs are terrible for your coffee's flavors. The design is centuries old and causes most of the aromas and flavors to escape. Insulated mugs keep your coffee hot for longer, but mask the flavors from every sip. For decades, the wine and whiskey industries focused on science and sensory to engineer the perfect shaped glasses that enhance the flavors, aromas, and tasting experience. But these glasses weren't designed for coffee. Avensi Wave is the world's first cup designed for you to swirl to aerate and reveal the unique flavors in every coffee. How does swirling elevate our coffee experience? Because it unlocks 3 new ways to appreciate your coffee's most unique aromas and flavors. As you swirl, the aeration waves work to maximize the surface area of your coffee, creating large waves that coat the inner walls with a thin layer of coffee. Just like wine and whiskey, this maximizes the release of aromatic molecules while the diffusion chamber captures and focuses those delicate aromas that are normally lost in regular mugs. Second, the aeration waves work harmoniously to aerate the flavors as you swirl, creating a symphony of microbubbles, unlocking layers of aroma and flavor previously trapped in your brew. And third, swirling allows you to take control of your coffee's temperature for the most unique exploration of your coffee's flavors. Coffee expresses different flavor notes at different temperatures, and that's what makes coffee so unique. Served hot, coffee aromas are at their peak. Then as your coffee cools, the aromas develop and give way for more complex and sweeter flavors with the most unique volatile compounds that contribute to sweet, fruity, floral, herbal, acidic, and many notes revealing at temperatures closer to your body temperature. The unique design of the aeration waves allows you to swirl in any direction you wish, so the only question you need to ask yourself is, how do I want to swirl today? And let Avensi Wave do the rest. Inspired by the fine crystalware tasting glasses and sniffers made for wine and whiskey appreciation, Avensi Wave is intentionally made smaller for tasting for a more immersive sensory experience. The smaller form and single wall is designed to bring all your senses closer to the aromas and flavors. The new Avensi Wave collection reimagines the coffee drinking experience with 3 new unique designs and a complementary sensory craft unlike anything ever created in the coffee world. The Avensi Wave collection starts with the cyclone carafe, and it's unlike any coffee server you've ever seen before. It features the same aeration wave design with a unique aroma peak inspired by high-end wine decanters. As you brew, coffee drips over the aroma peak for enhanced aroma diffusion. Give a swirl before serving to intensify and enjoy those delicate aromas, or swirl to quickly cool your coffee to a comfortable drinking temperature. The Avensi Wave cups are designed to be paired with a server so you can take time to savor the flavors in every sip as your coffee stays warm in your carafe. Inspired by the original Alto glass, the Avensi Wave Alto features an hourglass shape that amplifies delicate aromatics and positions your nose at the focal point of the aromas, while the wide rim spreads coffee evenly across your palate, enhancing brightness for an unparalleled tasting experience. Introducing our first foray into the world of espresso, inspired by the original Senti glass, the Espresso comes in both glass and ceramic. It features a dome-shaped profile that captures and intensifies espresso's rich aromas while enhancing sweetness and body. Pour espresso shots directly into the cup or use them for tasting your favorite filter coffees by serving from the cyclone carafe. As you swirl, the aeration waves serve to both aerate the flavors and mix the layers of your espresso without the need for a spoon for balanced flavor in every sip. Each glass is artfully mouth-blown and handcrafted by a team of 5 master craftsmen. A combined 35 years of experience goes into crafting every single glass. We're also launching 3 new limited edition handcrafted ceramic Espresso cups, Sakura Pink, Sunrise Mandarin, and Stronghold Red, to add a pop of color to any homebrew bar. It features a heftier 4mm rim that's common with classic espresso cups. The thicker rim spreads a thin layer of coffee over your tongue, enhancing the rich body of your espresso. Try your favorite espresso side by side in both glass and ceramic for a unique exploration of flavor that will highlight different notes in your coffees. Each ceramic cup is handcrafted in Chiang Mai, Thailand by Nanawa Studio, an award-winning 2-generation family-run ceramic studio with over 30 years of experience crafting custom tablewares for Michelin star restaurants. Acosta Brewhouse was and still is a small team of 3 coffee-loving friends, but that never stopped us from pursuing our dreams to elevate the way people enjoy coffee. We launched the original Avensi glassware collection in 2019, working with an unprecedented 90 coffee experts from over 30 countries around the world, and won multiple awards, including the most prestigious award from the Specialty Coffee Association for the best new product. Since launching Avensi Wave, we worked with over 300 experts, champion coffee competitors, and incredible coffee adventurers to update our collection and pioneer a new movement to appreciate coffee. The result is more than just an upgrade to the way you drink coffee. It's your ticket to a world where every sip is an adventure and every swirl is an escape from the ordinary. Don't just drink your coffee, experience it with the new Avensi Wave collection. Embark on this journey with us and be a pioneer in this new movement to elevate the coffee experience.